Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? How you doing? Good. Beauty Gist is here and I'm here with another video. Ooh. Kind of exciting. So today I thought to talk about and show you guys that's quite of a trend right now, guys. Talk about my first wig. This is the UK brand, my first wig. I purchased a headband wig, which I'll show you in a minute. So in the box, it comes in this little box, and well, basically I bought this back in October last year, 2020, October, and I've only just probably late December I started to wear it. Because I think at the time when I bought it I had braids in, so I didn't really have time to actually wear it out. So I finally got into it to around Christmas time. I start wearing it. I have to say a lot of compliments, a lot of everything.
Renee, is that your hair?
I mean, you know, when there's times you just want to, don't want to ruin the vibe, but at the same time you're it's half of it is. So you just say half of it is, because you know the headband wig is like half your head, half da. So I just keep it as So I've been working it quite a while, on and off there and there. You might see me in a place, you might see me
Renee, your hair's gone long, your hair's gone thick.
So in the box it comes with the actual wig. The wig came in this little cute what would you call it? What's that clothing called? What's that what's that clothing? Oh, what's it called? Well, I'll find the name. I'll insert what I meant. Insert the word there, what I meant. So we have this. The wig came into this little pouch. I'll call it pouch for now, and it came in here. So I thought it was cute, like a little keep it away, keep the hair nice and safe in here, keep it tidy. I thought that was cute, so I've got that in there. And it says my first wig, quality wigs for beginners. I'm sort of a beginner, but I've worn wigs before anyway, so it's kind of still a new thing to me. And also in the box it came with a little pouch. Well, obviously I've been using it, but I've got stuff in there. But it came with this little pouch, and it came with, you know, some hair grips. I can't get enough of these. Hair grips, I need plenty of them. Surprised I still have some left. Like normally it all goes missing somewhere. There's some hair grips, got the tail comb, essential, and what else? We've got these little clips grips, which is good. Got two of these or three of these or two, I can't remember, but they're missing. They're somewhere in my room somewhere. So I've got one of them which I have found. That goes in there. That's what came with the little patch. And also they came with a wig cap. A black one. It came. There was an option that you can get a black one or a beige skin looking type, and so I think I just ordered a black one. I don't know why, but I just ordered a black one. So you got 2 in 1 pack, and that's I had it. I don't know where it's gone now, so never mind that. And that's that. And now into the wig. So I went and purchased a kinky straight and it does get you know, when it's like those type of hair when you know when you blow dry your natural hair, it's like that kind of thing, so it looks quite natural. So I thought I'd show you guys how I put it on, how I've done style it, and yeah. But first before I show you guys, I'll give you a little information about, you know, what is a headband wig, like what is it and what do you do, what is it, what. So I'm just going to brush it while I'm talking to you guys. So this wig can help you achieve more of a natural looking hairline. Also gives you allowing to experiment with it, with, you know, other colors, textures. They have different textures on the website, like kinky, like, you know, springy curls or afro type, or even straight, different kind of bobs, lengths, different things. And, you know, I would say, like, if you have the time and money to care for your lace front wigs, by all means, you might as well just go and buy one, basically. Just, I mean, if that's what suits you, but if you're like me, I don't really have time. So
I just go snap and go. Literally just snap and go.
But keep in mind though, like, lace fronts do require a lot of like attention than other wigs, because obviously to keep them looking good, you have to make sure they're clean, the lace is fine. It's like, it's not like, there's times where people just looking like on the street, like, okay, like, I know you be wearing every day, but when the last time you cleaned it? Just be realistic here. But yeah, the wig, the name of the headband wig says it all. The headband wig name says it all. And because it's a wig that has its own headband that is fashioned like it's a hairline, basically, so it can be worn by anyone who with a little experience, so like a little bit experience, or who's a first beginner. And, you know, wigs come in variety of different textures, colors, lengths. As I said before, you know, you have plenty of options. Like, trust me, you have plenty of options. You have so many sites out now that are doing like different types of kind of updos. Like, it's just like crazy. So I mean, the fact that I got this like last year, I mean, I'm only just like wearing it just recent, like basically at the end of last year. And now it's like popping, like everybody's wearing it. I'm just like, wow. So I'm just gonna like go into there. But if you're just like me, basically you just don't have time. There's me, like, when I go to work, I normally wake up at 6 o'clock, 6:30 actually, and my alarm goes off on that time. Do I even wake up at that time? No, I like wake up in the next 20 minutes. So 20 minutes later, I'm up, but I have like half an hour to get ready. I was like, I don't know. I don't know why I do this to myself. I don't know why. I don't know why I do this to myself. I really don't know why. So, and then it's like, I don't have time to do my hair properly. So sometimes it goes like this up in one, and then there's time I just want to, can't be bothered to do my hair, so I just snap this on and go. I'm ready to catch the train. Oh, but yeah, it's something like that. So this hair out, and how I keep my hair under the wig, and style it out for you guys. One thing I've mentioned that when you do purchase a wig from myfirstwig.co.uk, you have to be aware from the extra charge that they will charge you, because it's going to be delivered by FedEx. They will charge you like at least £18 to charge. I was like, they didn't even tell me this before I purchased. Like, why are you going to do this now? They sent me a letter saying that, oh, I owe £18 to FedEx. I was like, that thief. I was like, what? Why did you just say this before? Like, I wouldn't have it in mind that maybe I don't need it anymore. You know when you when you online shopping, like on clothing shopping online, and then you add all these clothes onto your baskets, and then you're like, okay, £10 there, £10 there, £10 there, all good, £30, whatever, £30, good spend. And now when it's time to check out and it's like plus shipping, it's like $6.99 for shipping. Like, yeah, I'm gonna back it out now. Back it out. I'll see you another time. I'm just like, shipping, I'm like, come on, I don't want to spend whatever on shipping. It's just ridiculous. But I just find it sketchy for them to not tell you that you're gonna at least pay £80 extra from FedEx. Obviously that's the company that they use to deliver your wigs. It's like, why? But why would you do that? Like, why? It's just but yeah, just bear in mind, if you do buy one from there, just bear in mind there's a £18 charge on there. That's what I'm saying, just bear in mind. red ones, blue ones, yellow one, grey one, extra grey, a white one. I do have a black one, which is over there. Got a burgundy. I have a whole bunch. Guys, this is the end of my video, and I hope you enjoyed and feel inspired to do and buy your own headband wig, because I got to mention this is a 12 inch 40 inch. It's actually 12 inch kinky straight hair. So we'll leave the link to the actual hair in this description down below, and if you want to crop yourself one too, go get it, sis. If you're like me, you just need some time, don't have time,
Just go bam bam boom.
don't think about it, just do it. Just do it. Okay, it saves you time, a little bit of money, a little bit reasonable. The price is reasonable, so go get it. Okay, yeah, bye.